major factor for me was interchangeable blades, and I will show you very quickly why. Hello everybody! I went to Menards today for some wood and other supplies to build a little shelf at our home to store the extra food and water and another, let's say, equipment for emergency or just have some backup. I brought this piece of wood. As you can see, it's, let's say, 4 feet. It's thick. I didn't bring my saw, not chainsaw, the electric saw, because it's inside. As you can see, it's carpet in the basement. But I also bought a couple weeks ago my multi-tool, Leatherman Surge. I bought it because it's really good tool. I didn't use it that much for a couple of weeks, but I still carry it all the time, 24 hours, because I don't know when I will need that. But why I chose this multi-tool, you will love it. Stay with me. Okay, so here is the Surge with interchangeable blades, and I can just open this up. Wow. Look at that. This is very nice.